I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to explain about the second important function of management, that is organizing. And I'm also going to explain about the process or steps involved in organizing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is organizing? Organizing means it is the process of defining and grouping activities and establishing authority relationship among them. In other words, it is the process of arranging and grouping activities in order to achieve the desired goals of the organization in the most efficient and effective manner. So this is the meaning of the function organizing. Next, let's point out or list out the process or steps involved in organizing. First process is identification and division of work. Second process is departmentalization. Third process is assignment of duties. And fourth and the last process is establishing authority and reporting relationship among them. So next let's discuss one by one the process or steps of organizing. So first process is identification and division of work. Identification and division of work means identifying and dividing the work that needs to be done in accordance with the predetermined plan. So this is the meaning of the process, identification and division of work. Next, let's come to the second process, that is departmentalization. Departmentalization means after identifying and dividing the work or dividing the work into small and manageable activities, then those activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. It clearly says that after dividing the work into small and manageable activities, those all activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. So this is the meaning of the term or function or process, departmentalization. Next, let's come to the third process, that is assignment of duties. Assignment of duties means after departmentalization, it is necessary to define the work of different job positions and accordingly allocate the work to different employees of the organization. So this is the meaning of the term or function or process, assignment of duties. So next let's discuss about the final or fourth step or process involved in organizing, that is establishing authority and reporting relationship among them. It means that allocation of work is not only enough. It means that first the employer of the organization assigns duties or tasks or work to the employees of the organization, and the employees are eligible or responsible to accept the orders or the work from the employer, and they are supposed to work in the most efficient and effective manner. And after accepting the work or assigned duties from the employer, then the employee are accountable to report them back with the finished work. So it clearly mentions about the authority and reporting relationship between the employer and the employee. So this is the meaning of the process or step, that is establishing authority and reporting relationship among them. So these are the steps or process involved in organizing. So this is all about today's session. Let's wind up today. See you in the next session with another new topic. So thank you.